nabenta natin ay Mamba Focus. Ito siya, size 7. Tapos nandito pa yung Air Force 1 na LX. So yun, dalawang pair yan. So ang bili natin sa Nike factory store or Nike outlet yata mga 79. Tapos may additional 20% yata ako nun. So mura natin nakuha yan, kaya hinod na lang natin. Tapos nabenta natin siya ng 199. Ayun, di ba? Yun ang tamang investment. Almost more than 100% return of invest tayo dyan sa Mamba Focus. Next ay yung Air Force 1 07 LX. So ito yun, dalawa ang binili nung buyer. Yun. So last two pair ko na to ng size 12. Ang retail nga pala nito is 120. Nabenta natin yung dalawa ng 398. Next naman ay yung Jordan 1 mid grade school na Volt and Green Glow. Ito siya, 6Y. So ito siya, Air Jordan 1 mid grade school black and Volt green. Ang retail nito ay $90. Boom. Yan, no? Pambata talaga yung kulay niya, di ba? Tapos yung Volt, tapos may halong ano dyan. At nabenta natin yan ng 155. So mga nasa almost 40-45% return ng investment. So we're already on the outlet. Look at those Air Force 1, and they have clearance on the clothing. And alright, look at this one, nice for running. And look at the retail, $250, and they're selling for $64.97. That's a massive discount. Well, if I wanted to have it this for running, but I already got a lot though. And another good one, this one, I might gonna keep this one because I don't have any maroon or burgundy in my clothing, and it really complements me. Look at the price, $124.97. Take him. Alright, so this one's really caught my eyes. I like that kind of white with complement of UNC colorway with some small stint of yellow. $54.99 though. Retail is $75, but might gonna wait out till they have a better discount. But I like it though. Moving on to the shoe, we got the Air Max 2017. We got the kind of cool gray 139, and we got more down here. This one is kind of more grayish colorway, same price, $139. This one is $139 as well. We got triple black. Which one is better resale, but I'll wait out a little bit more. We got some Element for $89.99 still sitting here. And we got the Epic React $69.99. This is not bad for a running shoes. Already got me a lot of Epic React, and it's very comfortable running shoes. Price is not bad. And another one, $99.99. We got some Renew Run. What do you think on this one? The price, $44.97. Whoa. Pick of the week, we got the Air Monarch for $49.99. That shoe, why not? If they really need them. So not bad for the price. Well, how about the Nike Air Max 2090 with that kind of sunset colorway? Yeah. We got more Air Monarch, same price, $49.99. Really not bad shoe. Nike Court Royal AC. It looks like a blazer mid and kinda Jordan cool gray something. And Nike Flytrap 3. What do you think on this one? Price is not bad, $49.99 and more, $49.99, a different colorway. Alright, now we got something, $69.97 on this kind of burgundy-ish kind of maroon colorway of the KD Kevin Durant. $69.97, I'll take them. Alright, Nike Joyride CC 140 retail, $59.97. Next one, we got more KD, and this one is KD Tray, $69.99. How about $79.99 on the LeBron? What do you think? $79.99 for the LeBron Witness. And how about Nike Enderlon Low? Looks like a triple white Air Force One, $44.99. How about the Kyrie 6, $79.97. It's like a Celtics colorway. Not bad for the color, and the price is not bad as well. $79.97. How about another Kyrie, $69.97. Looks like this one is the glow in the dark. Look at those. Okay, Nike Fly Mid 2 NBK. What do you think on this one? $49.99. Next one, we got the LeBron Soldier, retail $140. Not bad for the design. Price $99.99. I'll wait out a little bit more. We got more LeBron, and this one is kind of Lakers colorway with that violet-ish. What do you think on this one? This one will have to bit more lower price. I wanted to. We got the KD Tray 5, $69.99. Kind of cookies colorway. We got some Metcon 4, and the price not bad with that gum bottom, $64.97. Clearance wall, hash wall, more KDs, and this one is $89.97. A little bit high. We got some PG4, $44.97. Wow, they are like, price not bad. And more PG4. I bought me some of this way back, and they are selling for $59.97. Well, another PG4. We got some kind of cookies colorway, and they had it for $59.97. And how about this one? We got some good running shoes down here, Reactera Gobe, and the price is $59.97. How about this one? We got some gold-ish Air Max 270 React. They are $69.97. Very comfortable shoes. Okay, we got more KDs and like a bread colorway. Man, I like that one. KD 13. Price $89.97. We are in the women's section. Look at this one. We got Zoom Gravity for $39.97. Not bad for a kind of running shoes, lifestyle shoes. What do you think on this one for women's? Alright, women's Nike Quest 2, $39.97 as well. What do you think? I like the color though. Nice. $39.97. Still on women's section, look at this one. We got some lifestyle shoes with kind of pinkish colorway, and we got Air Max with some kind of cheetah something. I'm not really sure though. Okay, how about Zoom Spiridon Cage 2, $99.99. This one is really comfortable and very breathable shoes. Now we are in kids section. We got LeBron shoes, 74.99, like a glow in the dark as well, I think. And we got more down here. They are really selling out of the LeBron, 74.99. It's just because of school, back to school. That's why they have a lot of kid shoes, 74.99 as well. On this one, got a lot of LeBrons. How about Air Max Plus? This one's good for women's and kids as well. 99.99, nice colorway. If this one is go down to 69 or 79, I might gonna pick them up for resale. Well, how about this one? 89.99 for Kyrie. Nice. Alright, so we got two pairs of this particular shoe that we pick up on Nike factory stores. We got also some pants down here, some kind of running pants. So just got it for personal. KD Durant or Kevin Durant, KD13 TV promo. This one there's not much of a listing on eBay. When I saw the comps, it's like somewhere around less than 10, and we had two transactions because I had my daughter with me, so yun. I got for mine and for her, so one transaction each using the welcome discount. So here we go, let's pop that open, and just the regular paper, and boom, there we go. So the official colorway is Team Red. So it says Team Red, but it's look like a maroon-ish kinda. And also I went for a bigger size, which is size 12 and size 13. Bigger sizes are much better. And how much after the discount? The price is $69.97, and then after the discount 15% is $59.47. $59.47 for the pair of the KD13. Is it good? Is it bad? Goodbye, bad bye for personal or for resale? Leave a comment down below. Alright, with that said, thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Mag-ingat po kayo. Bye bye.